Let's talk about what's actually worth buying this Prime Day because a lot of the deals are overhyped and I don't want you to waste your money. For new friends, my name is Bryce Gruber. I've been a shopping editor for over 20 years, digging into exactly this kind of research. What's worth buying? What is worth your money? So let's start with what not to buy. Electronics are going to be hit or miss, and furniture is pretty much a no-go this time. Before anyone gets spicy with me, it doesn't mean there aren't exceptions. It just means overall the deals aren't that great. But there are some really good deals out there, and I want to get into them. These are in no particular order, just things I'm personally excited about, but I have a much bigger list, like 50 to 100 different items that I think are really good deals in today's free weekly newsletter. That information is here. You may want to use that as a reference point for later in the week, but let's get into it. Barefoot Dreams blankets, not the dupes, 35% off. Don't worry, everything is going to be linked in the description, but these come in a ton of different colors and they are rarely under $100, but they are now, and the shipping is free. Lots of different colors, and I'm really highlighting this one because it's the name brand. It's the good one. It's not a dupe. It's not similar. It's the original. Speaking of name brands, pretty much everything from Outdoor Voices is anywhere from 50 to 90% off. These tote bags are literally $5 each. The best-selling dresses with the built-in bras and the built-in shorts are 50% off. I rarely say this, but the built-in bra here is a 10 out of 10. And here's a better look at the built-in shorts, also extra, extra small, all the way through 3XL, which is great, and lots of colors. And then I love these as gifts if you have baby showers to go to this summer or anything like that. These are Monica and Andy organic cotton kimonos for babies. All different colors, prints, most of them are pretty gender neutral, and they start at $9. They're normally closer to $30 each, so these look like a really nice gift. Speaking of gifts, The Other makes one of my personal favorite ceremonial grade matchas out there, and these are 20% off. They never go on sale. So I know 20% off is not like a massive deal, but if they never go on sale, it kind of is. I have spoken about these like a million times before. They're on sale for 30% off. I think they just changed the packaging, so ignore my packaging. But these are incredible. When I did my facial procedure recently and I needed to heal quickly, this is what I took. And within like 4 days, I was back to normal. And you can see the other videos on my channel if you want proof of that. Anyway, it's like a combo of NAD, NR, and MN, all the good N vitamins that are extremely expensive to find pretty much anywhere if they actually work, and they're combined into one. And when I tell you these work for me personally. I'm not making any claims. My hair grows quicker, my nails grow quicker, my skin is better, I heal like a champion, whatever. These are worth it. And they're too expensive for me at the normal prices, so yes, I am buying these. Okay, I don't want to make this too long, but I do want to get into some things that are under $5 because there are a bunch of under $5 items now and people don't even realize it, and you do need to know about it. And the major magazines and big social media influencer accounts probably won't even tell you about these things because they will not make any noteworthy commissions. If they're going to make like 1 or 2%, that is literally pennies. They're going to have to sell tens of thousands of units for it to be worth their time. So they're just not even going to tell you about the under $5 stuff. They probably won't even tell you about the under $10 stuff. Anyway, let's get into it. This entire 4-pack comes to $12.40. The shipping is free, which means each bottle is about $3. Like, you can't beat that. You can't. Try. You can't. Grout counters, weird stuff you can't identify. It is currently $3.77. And again, the shipping is free if you have Prime. Before I get into this one, this is for people who like cinnamon flavor. Minty flavors are a little bit more, but full size cinnamon flavor expandable dental floss from GuruNanda. We're not talking some off brand, like the real brand, 55 yards, full size, $1, literally $1. There are no limits. You can get 20 of them if you want. So Godspeed. And a 90 pack of allergy relief, literally 90 tablets, is under $5. This is an antihistamine, so if you need an antihistamine, this is a good value. This is getting long, but there's going to be a really big list in the newsletter again, and I will do a bunch of follow-up shorts because there are going to be more deals that I want to keep adding to this, and you need to know. And one more thing, Walmart is actually doing a competing sale. Do we want a roundup? Let me know in the comments if we want a roundup of what's actually worth buying there, because a lot of this stuff is not worth buying there, but there are some things, especially like natural fibers, that are 100% worth buying at Walmart right now. Godspeed, and I hope you get all the stuff you want.